Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can center your copyright notice in the footer in Shopify Dawn theme. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your Shopify control panel, click on online store, click on themes, then click on edit theme right here, and then you will need to scroll down until you see footer, click on that one, and basically if you don't see menu on the right side, just zoom out a little bit and you'll see this menu. Then scroll down until you see custom CSS, and what you'll need to write is dot footer under dash, then content, then bottom wrapper. You can just click space, open curly brackets like this, and then click on enter, and then write justify content, the first one, you can just choose it, then center, and basically you will see that you'll have your copyright centered in the footer. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and make sure to save your changes. So see you in the next one. Have a nice day.